लास्ट एपिसोड में गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड की इतनी बात करी, लेकिन मन अभी भी नहीं भरा बिकॉज दिस माइक्रो मार्केट इज एक्चुअली मूविंग ऑन अनदर लेवल। इतनी डेवलपमेंट आ रही है, इतना इंफ्रा आ रहा है कि कुछ सालों बाद ये एक माइक्रो मार्केट भी नहीं रहेगी। इट विल एक्चुअली फील लाइक अ मिनी सिटी विद इन अ सिटी। And in the middle of this transformation, one project is quietly becoming the top of the town. And today's episode is going to be about that. Hello guys, my name is Nishtha Machanda and this is episode 2 of Invest with GAE. And today I will walk you through a project which is creating a lot of curiosity on the golf course extension road. A developer who is not new to the town at all. In fact, one of the largest landowners in the city. अगर DLF के बाद किसी डेवलपर के पास इतनी massive land bank है तो वो ये डेवलपर है. Its journey started 20 years ago from Faridabad, where they have actually delivered more than 2,000 acres of land. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे hospitals, schools उन्हीं के land parcel पे delivered है. And in Gurgaon, they actually own more than 700 acres of land. Talking about BPTP Limited and their newest development coming in Sector 66, Gurgaon. Sector 66 is right at the intersection of the Golf Course Extension Road, Sona and SPR, which means connectivity from here is extremely seamless. You are literally 15 minutes to Golf Course Road, 20 minutes to NH8 and another 20 minutes to Dwarka Expressway. So whether you are heading towards Delhi, Cyber City or New Gurgaon, connectivity from here is extremely convenient. Even the public transport connectivity is also very strong here. You have very close access to the newly proposed Subhash Chowk metro station, which will be only 15 minutes from this location. The Sector 55-56 Rapid Metro is the nearest metro station from this locality. And with the upcoming RRTS station at Khedki Dhaula, the intercity travel between Delhi and NCR will also become extremely faster. Even the IGI airport is just about 40 minutes away from this location. Another major location advantage of this project is its proximity to major corporate hubs. Within a short drive, you have IFC, AIPL Business Club, Bharti Worldmark and many more such major office destinations. And of course, larger corporate districts like DLF Corporate Park, DLF Cyber Park, Cyber City are easily accessible from this project. In fact, around 40 million square feet of commercial office spaces lies within 15 to 20 minute drive from this location. This entire corridor has also become the luxury retail hotspot of Gurgaon. Within just a few minutes, we have AIPL Joy Street, Joy Central, Worldmark, M3M 65th Avenue, IFC again, and a slightly further we also have Elan Epic, M3M Broadway, and so many more lifestyle and retail destinations. Another advantage of this location is that educational infra is extremely strong and already present. Within minutes, you have Heritage, St. Xavier's, Pathways, Shri Ram, and a little further you have GD Goenka and Lancers International School. The healthcare access is also extremely strong with major hospitals like Medanta, Fortis, Paras within minutes reach. This corridor alone has 2,000 plus hospital beds and specialized trauma care facilities nearby. Another strong aspect of this location is the luxury hospitality present to you very nearby. You have Taj, Grand Hyatt, Hilton, which creates a very strong premium lifestyle ecosystem around the location. Enough of the location advantages. Now let's finally talk about our project of the day. Downtown 66 is to be designed as a low-density luxury development. Some basic details like 3 standalone towers, still plus 42 in structure, approximately 150 meters in height and 4 apartments at each floor. The space in towers is actually very large, which means better openness, better views and more ventilation, thus ensuring space, privacy and exclusivity. We have 3 levels of basement in downtown and every apartment comes with 2 dedicated car parks. Now every project in Gurgaon is towards the luxury side only, and if you compare one luxury project to another, you might feel that all buildings are ordinary. What actually changes the game are the consultants behind it. let me walk you through the strong lineup of global consultants involved in downtown. ADAS, a globally recognized architectural firm based out of Singapore, known for designing landmark developments across the globe, is the principal architect for this one. The construction partner is also among the very well-renowned names across the globe whose name you will be seeing making headlines very soon. And you're always welcome to guess the name in the comment section. From an engineering perspective, Senelec is the MEP consultant for mechanical, electrical and plumbing system. Geocon is the geotechnical consultant handling soil studies and foundation engineering. RWDI is the wind tunnel consultant ensuring that the towers are performing safely under high wind conditions. And many such additional consultants are also onboarded with Downtown. So clearly, Downtown has onboarded both international design expertise along with specialized engineering consultants to ensure both aesthetics and functionality. Now let's talk about the lifestyle amenities present in the project. Downtown actually offers around 1,35,000 square feet of clubhouse and landscape amenities around holistic living. From a fully equipped gym, yoga Zumba studio, indoor pool, outdoor pool, a temperature controlled pool, a basketball court, a badminton court, a paddleboard court, pickleball court, foosball, chess, tennis, you name it, they have it. They even have a Turkish imam and a Pilates studio within the community to offer. For social gatherings and entertainment, we have AV rooms, sports bar, whiskey lounge, ballroom, banquet halls, business center, card rooms and in fact fine dining rooms as well. Even for the kids, we have dedicated activity zones area. Like we have kids play zone, we have cooking studio, art studio, music studio, kids pool and in fact a robotics lab as well. Moving on to your apartment details. But wait, what if I just show you? This is how your apartment is gonna look like. We have 3 BHKs to offer in two sizes of 2500 and 2900 square feet. The one that you are seeing here is a 2900 square feet of 3 BHK plus family lounge plus servant quarter. A very interesting aspect that you will see here is the space efficiency, which is about 72%, which is actually quite impressive. The apartment also features 85 feet running balcony with a 25 feet utility balcony, which means you get large outdoor living spaces. Now let's talk numbers, which most of you are probably waiting for. But the wait has to be a little longer because the project is open currently through an EOI process. Allotments will happen soon and will be done on priority basis depending upon the EOI submission. But yes, it does come with a flexible PLP payment plan. So if you actually look at the bigger picture, a strong location, a developer with large land holdings, massive clubhouse, international consultants and a low density development actually makes Downtown 66 a project that smart investors are closely watching. If you want more details about the project or if you want a visit to be scheduled for the sample apartment, you can contact us on the number mentioned on your screen. And if you like the breakdown of the emerging opportunities in Gurgaon real estate market, then do like, share and subscribe to Invest with GAE.